Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a clear image, size 2560 by 1440 pixels, because YouTube requires that canvas. Once chosen, crop so the safe area, 1546 by 423, contains all essential text or logos. Make sure the file is a PNG or high-quality JPG and under 6 MB, then open YouTube Studio, go to Customization, and click Branding or Layout to begin uploading. Next, click Change or Upload and select the image from your device or cloud storage. You want the exact file you prepared. Once uploaded, preview how YouTube crops for desktop, TV, and mobile. These previews matter, because the same image displays differently across devices. Reposition and use zoom controls until the most important content sits inside the safe area. Make small adjustments, then preview again, because a slight shift can hide a logo or text on phones. Finally, save your changes, then verify on multiple devices by refreshing your channel page. Do this to confirm the safe area displays as intended. If the image looks blurry, re-export at higher quality or switch to PNG and ensure the file stays under 6 MB. If the layout still appears off, recenter the image in YouTube Studio, clear your browser cache, and try again. That single troubleshooting step often resolves stale previews and incorrect crops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.